Hey, it's Vanity. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be using this Colourpop Ooh Lala eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go into this light peach color with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply that right above my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this darker berry color with a fluffy brush and apply it right on my crease. Now I'm just going to do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer and this flat eyeshadow brush to apply it on my movable lid. This is going to make the next eyeshadow color that I apply more bold. Now I'm going to go into this darker plum color, and I'm going to slowly pack on the color with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm just going to do the same thing for the other side. Now I'm going to go back in with that first fluffy brush that I used, and I'm going to blend out any harsh lines that I may have in my eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown stick foundation. I'm just going to apply going in a downward stroke all over my face. And now I'm going to use this flat blending brush to blend that out. Be sure to be gentle with these brushes because they may exfoliate your face if you're too rough with them. Now I'm going to go back in with that plum color and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. I'm going to use my Badunkadunk NYX mascara. I'm going to use these Audrey AOA lashes that I got from shopmissa, and I'm going to apply it with this lash adhesive. And this is how the lashes look on. For blush, I'm going to use my Bare Minerals blush, and I'm just going to blend it into the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics contour kit in that light brown color. And I'm just going to apply it right in the middle of my cheek. Same for the other side. And on my forehead. This is a great way to bring back some color into your face. Now I'm going to use this fluffy brush just to blend that out. Now I'm going to use this AOA Wonder highlighter. I'm just going to apply it right above my blush. On my nose, on my cupid's bow, and also on my chin. And for lipstick, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick called Rosewood. All the information about these products will be in the description box. And this is the final look. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.